guys, Julie here from Renovating Made Easy at my Villa Reno, and I'm so excited to see that the flooring is almost finished. So that's always a very exciting point in the Reno when you start to see how clean and shiny and new everything is. So you may remember there was filthy, dirty carpet here in the lounge room and a brown brick fireplace. So now we've got it all nice and white. We'll be getting a roller blind on this window and some sheer curtains. We've got some wall sconces to go in tomorrow up here. So it's not quite all done, but we're getting there. But I'm just absolutely loving these vinyl planks. They feel beautiful underfoot and the colour just looks gorgeous and modern. So coming through here, we've kept the archway, doorway and the sort of like servery or whatever you might call that little window there, but we got rid of the wall between the kitchen and the dining room. So now you can see how it flows beautifully with the planks down and the new kitchen in. We've still got to get the stone benches in and the splashback tiling done. So it's not quite all finished, but it's starting to really take shape and I'm really happy with how it's coming along. The tiling, the floor tiling, I think is beautiful. You probably can't see it all that well. It's a lovely sort of soft terrazzo, earthy style tile. It looks really nice with these white matte wall tiles, which we've done at 11 or 1200 high. I'm not really sure why there's two different. Oh, he hasn't finished. He's still got to do a row around here. Okay, so out here we've had the fences painted, we're getting the patio painted right now, and we've scored a whole heap of plants to go in this garden bed to make it start looking modern. Then we'll go through to the bedroom area, having a little bit of trouble with the blind bracket on the window, so you can hear maybe a little bit of swearing going on. This is the master bedroom with nice white walls and doors, little ensuite which is now looking really lovely and soft with the white matte wall tiles and the soft terrazzo look floor tile. And we'll be getting the carpets laid in a couple of days time, so that's when, and the stone will go on, the stone benches will go on then too, so a couple of days time we'll see another big difference. Still getting a clear glass shower screen made up for in here. Not sure if you remember, but there was a bath here and the shower over bath was on this right hand wall. So we decided to get rid of all of that and just try and open up the bathroom because it's not very big. So I think we've achieved that with a nice low hob and a 1 metre wide vanity, so it feels nice and big, and the matte wall tiles and terrazzo floor tile again. So nice new toilet and third bedroom, which will be also getting carpet in it. So I think it's looking really lovely. I'm very excited to see it taking shape now, coming into the final probably week of the reno, getting all the finishing touches done, and then we will be waiting for the staging furniture for the very last piece de resistance. So any questions, make sure to ask, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.